Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Luna Classic token and why I think Terra Luna Classic token will hit over 10,000% increase in price this year 2023. Now last year 2022, a lot of people, after the crash, a lot of people expected Terra Luna Classic to hit about 10,000% increase in price when the Binance founder CZ has been posting, have been supporting Terra Luna Classic, and we also saw Terra Luna Classic also started gaining massive support, and also the introduction of the 1.2% tax bond. But I believe this is the year. I believe that Terra Luna Classic hitting 10,000% is going to be one of the biggest Terra Luna Classic bump in the past few months. And I believe, of course, with the help from Binance founder, with the help from the community. Remember that the last time a lot of people started burning off their Terra Luna Classic, we saw a massive burn, and Terra Luna Classic burned about almost 2 billion coins to 3 billion coins, and it's amazing to see this coin really increasing in terms of community and in terms of the burning rate. Yes, they are really increasing, but I believe that this year, with the support from Binance, with the support from other top crypto exchanges, I believe Terra Luna Classic is definitely going to increase 10,000% 2023. Yes, it's possible. And in fact, I believe that by the time the 1.2% tax bond we start burning hundreds and hundreds of millions of coins on a daily basis. Remember when they introduced this coin, though the 1.2% tax bond have not really burned a lot, so many coins, but I believe this year 2023 you are going to see Terra Luna Classic token burning billions of coins on a single day. Let's hope that Terra Luna Classic will gain the support from Coinbase, and I believe with Coinbase, Terra Luna Classic burning will really increase, and I believe the community will also increase, and I believe Terra Luna Classic is going to pump this year 10,000% sure. In fact, so many other crypto believe that with Binance, with Coinbase, with a lot of crypto exchanges that have been supporting this coin, that Terra Luna Classic can even hit up to 100,000%. Of course, it's possible for Terra Luna Classic to hit 100,000%, but I think for now they need to focus on the burning of Terra Luna Classic and also getting more exchanges and more partners globally. And I also believe they also need to pray for Bitcoin to really start increasing, because BTC is what controls every crypto coin. If Bitcoin start pumping, you are going to see Terra Luna Classic hitting massive increase in price. But let's hope 2023 is going to be one of the best year for crypto industry.